Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe NodeJS with MongoDB. NodeJS can be used in a database application, one of the most popular NoSQL database in MongoDB. MongoDB, to be able to experiment with a code example, you will need access the MongoDB database. MongoDB official website is mongodb.com. So if we want to install MongoDB in Node.js, and we if we want to access the MongoDB from Node.js, then we need to install MongoDB package. Here is the npm install MongoDB. So here is the MongoDB installation package npm. So MongoDB install done. Here is the node module MongoDB packages, and is the package of MongoDB and dependency. Add the package file, JSON file. So how we can include MongoDB package in Node.js? At first, bar Mongo client required MongoDB dot MongoDB dot Mongo client is the bar URL of MongoDB database. One to 7.0.0.1 to 7.0.1.7. My database, suppose my DB. So here is the MongoDB database URL. So now we will connect with MongoDB. Mongo client dot connect URL function error db sec error, if error then throw error console.log database created db dot close. So now we run our Node.js project, node index.js. So here is the showing MongoDB network error, failed to connect with server 127.0.0.2.7.0.1.7. So at first we need to run MongoDB. Here MongoDB Mongo has our MongoDB already installed. MongoDB shell version v3.6.3 and MongoD. So our MongoDB service running. We can try again. Node index.js. So here is the showing database is created. So our MongoDB connection is done, also database is created. So now we will see the MongoDB database. uh, Mongo. We have previous installed MongoDB Compass for MongoDB UI tool, UI GUI tools. Connect with MongoDB. So here is the MongoDB database, the MyDB. We have connect with MyDB. So our database is MyDB, showing. Thank you so much. So today we have described about Node.js with MongoDB. At first we have installed the MongoDB package, and then we connect with the MongoDB client. So before connect with MongoDB client, at first need to run MongoDB from console. Thank you so much.